Jesus Christ!
What?
Guy was hit.
Christ! Fucking bitch!
That would be 2 weeks. In exchange, he expects Iran to reopen the Strait of Hormuz to allow oil to move during that time. And during this time, he will review a 10-point peace.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, no pressure, but like the bumper cars, they need a driver, and Damon, will you drive one of them in the bumper cars so they can do that? So we can do it together. A couple times. Oh, Selena or Ella. Okay. All right, Damon will help me. So, Selena or Ella. Okay. All right, Damon will help me. So, just call me. Keep me posted. That's on me. Love you. Just call me. Keep me posted. That's on me. Love you.
Posted!
Nope.
C'est des bananes que vous vendez? Non, c'est des horreurs, hein. Il y a Vous allez revendre mon poste, hein? Comme ça, j'aurais pas besoin de le marquer. Pourquoi? Ça se sent. Les arrangeurs sont fort dans les dos. Je vais bien ranger ce sketch, le remettre à l'abri de la lumière, de la poussière et tout ça, et pour vous le rediffuser une prochaine fois sur la chanson, et puis le remettre avec tous ces autres collecteurs qu'on garde bien précieusement pour vous. Fabrice Eboué dans la génération de rien, ça arrive dans quelques instants.
Registered voters, including the majority of Democrats, by the way, on these important issues. You know, like lifted a finger because they like the threats and the violence because the Justice Department under Merrick Garland and the Democrat Party deep state, why would they do anything about this? This is their party at work, right? And you got these entrenched career bureaucrats in Washington.
Yeah, sorry, Wahlberg. That's the way. Sometimes you're the Wahlberg or sometimes you're the Bud.
I feel like we need female presence to counter some of Tina. Fuck me if I rub my eyebrows
Not
on
a
your
chance.
nuts.
Not a chance. I banged a girl that was almost 50 last night. I could fucking...
I thought I was gonna bang a girl that was 50 till her husband showed up.
This is
Pelosi talking.
This is great.
The POC stands for pussy.
No, Pelosi. Here's the
O
O.
stands for what I do to it.
Yeah,
I like to yank on.
Okay,
Bring it over to the left.
Yes,
That's what I say. Maybe I yank it to the left.
I got you.
I go, your pussy's left leaning now. Give me another beer.
Nancy, I think you've had too much. You should probably slow down for the...
You don't fucking know me.
Okay, now
you know everything I do for this fucking black community.
Yes. Line number 5.
Gina, quick joke.
Yeah, sure.
What did the black person that lives in my district get for Christmas?
Your bike, Nancy?
Nah, my fucking purse and all the stuff in my backyard.
Good job, people.
For 10% off. That's betterhelp.com/pressplay.
He's just steadily just throwing trash out the window. Look at him.
But you have to, as a society, have some kind of prevention measures in place. You can't just sit there and say, well, if it's going to happen, it's going to happen, and we'll react to it when it does. There has to be some kind of plan to prevent it from happening.
Well, that's what legal gun owners usually do. Is they'll carry a gun, and they say, if anything ever happens, I hope I don't have to use it.
But at some point, even you have to say, like, Jesus, there's a lot of legal gun owners doing the wrong thing. Maybe we need to edit it a little bit. Something
But
needs
for
to
the number of legal gun owners that are doing the wrong thing,
Right.
there's 100 more legal gun owners that are doing the right thing.
Yeah, but the wrong things are really bad.
No, I totally understand. But I'm not just, that guy is not nowhere near justified for what he did. It was screwed up and all.
Nick, I don't want you to attack me, okay? I don't want to end up like I don't want to end up like that guy. I don't want to end up like the kid with the bicycle, okay? I'm sorry.
Understood. You're good.
Okay.
Again, that was a long time ago.
Right. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. Don't.
In the movie
Don't
theater,
hurt
if
me.
there was one more gun, it
Right.
could have been different. That's what I'm going to leave with. Have a good day.
Yeah, I mean, of course it could have been different. It could have been more people shot. Like, yeah, it could have gone either way if there were more guns. Ted in Philly.
Hey, I think it's a twofold problem. I think the first part is there's a lot of ignorance amongst some of the groups of people that are calling for these push for gun restrictions, i.e., like Amy Schumer, when she's calling for we need gun background checks, etc., etc.
Yeah.
There's already gun background checks, and I think what a lot of gun owners get upset is the ignorance being displayed. She's calling for gun background checks. There's already background checks, so she's not knowledgeable of some of the true issues, and I think that's part of.
All right, stay on the line. What's up, James in Florida? You're on Sam Roberts' show.
Hey, how you doing, Sam?
Good.
The problem is not the gun owners that are doing it legally and getting by. It's the ones who are not supposed to own the guns that are still able to pass backgrounds or have friends that are buying the guns for them. You can actually, in Florida, all you have to do is fill out, it's called 4473 down here.
Mm-hmm.